Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon. I'm here again in the mall. See, WTC mall. That's the bird. I just dropped this empty bottle in the machine. Good afternoon everyone and happy Monday. I'm here again. Almost every day I'm coming here. This is the painting in the wall. You know what I like this mall? The painting. I like the painting in the wall. Especially there in the side. Painting there is nice. I like the painting in the wall. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy Monday. Enjoy your day everyone. First day of school and what is today? Today is 17, 18, 19. Tomorrow is 20. Birthday ni. Oh, birthday ng Vita tomorrow. I'm here in WTC. I hope there is no line with the machine there. Bye guys. See you later. Bye.